Alright guys, accounting exam na namin. Good luck to us. So, ayun na nga. Siyempre, di tayo magpapatalo. So, mag-i-interview tayo ng CM students after the exam. So, let's go! Guys, parang board exam siya, guys. Good luck to us. This is us before the exam. And this is us after the exam. This is me after the exam. Super tiring, guys. Accounting is not for the weak, I swear. Alright guys, so kakatapos lang namin ng exam and it was super tiring. Pati ako napagod rin. But now, let's ask our CM students, our fellow CM students, about the exam, reaction sila at rating sila. Anyways, let's go! Alright, so our first CM student. So what's your name po?
I'm Akim.
So, kakatapos lang natin ng accounting exam and ano sa'yo ang reactions mo and what's your rating?
I feel depressed.
Depressed?
The exam was harder than what I expected it to be. I rate it mga 2 out of 10 because wala akong nabalance except for one problem.
Actually, gets good actually. Next up, our very, very pretty CM student. What's your name po?
My name is Silvia Miguel Divas. I'm so sorry, I'm speechless.
Speechless. Over naman. So, what's your reaction sa accounting exam and what's your rating?
As an accountancy student. Actually, it's okay, but ang kalaban mo is time. So, nape-pressure ka talaga sa time. So, hindi, pag nape-pressure ka sa time, naisip mo na hindi mo na mababalance. Tapos ang na nawawala na sa lahat. So, yeah. My rating is a solid 10 minus 9 over 10.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Okay, for our last very beautiful, very pretty young student. What's your name po?
Hi, my name is Yvonne Chaldiano.
So, what is your reaction sa accounting exam and your ratings?
Actually, okay lang siya. Kaya man, I think like if nararattle ka sa time, yun yung downfall mo. Pero like, so far, okay lang kasi nabigyan ng extension yung teachers. Like, very understanding sila. So, I rate it 8 out of 10.
Wow, 8 out of 10. I think the highest so
I'm
far.
not sure. Hindi, actually 7 lang na.
7, wow. Highest pa rin siya. Hello po! So, thank you so much for watching our vlog and the interview of our beautiful CM students regarding sa accounting. And as for me naman, dead man na lang kasi parang ganito na siya, oh. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and see you!